Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. If you're planning to send or receive international payments through ANZ Bank, you will need the correct SWIFT code. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to find it using a simple online search. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to your search engine. Then in the search bar, type ANZ Bank SWIFT code and hit search. Now look through the search results for links from official sources. For example, ANZ official website provides accurate and up-to-date information. Click into a reliable source. For now, I'll just go with WISE. The SWIFT code for ANZ Australia looks something like ANZBAU3MXXX. Always ensure that the SWIFT code matches the specific branch or service you are using. If you're uncertain about the correct SWIFT code, it's a good idea to contact ANZ customer service or check your bank statements where the SWIFT code is often listed. And that's it. You now know how to find the SWIFT code for ANZ Bank quickly and easily. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more helpful banking and finance tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.